Today I'll walk you through step by step how to unarchive a task, list, folder, or space in ClickUp so you can bring archived items back into your active workflow instantly. ClickUp's archive feature is one of its most underrated tools. It lets you tuck away completed or paused work without losing any of it, keeping your workspace clean while everything stays safely stored in the background. If you've ever archived something and then needed to pick it back up, this video is exactly what you need. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Before we touch anything, it helps to understand what archiving actually does in ClickUp. When you archive a task, list, folder, or space, ClickUp hides it from your normal views so it doesn't clutter your active projects. Nothing is deleted. All the comments, attachments, assignees, and due dates are fully preserved. Unarchiving simply reverses that process. It makes the item visible and editable again, exactly as it was when you archived it. That distinction matters because it means you can restore anything with complete confidence that no data has been lost. The first thing you need to do is log into ClickUp and make sure you're in the right workspace. ClickUp supports multiple workspaces, so if you manage more than one organization or client account, double-check the workspace selector in the top left corner of the screen. A lot of people spend time searching for an archived item only to realize they're looking in the wrong workspace entirely. So confirming this up front saves you a lot of frustration. Once you're in the correct workspace, you're ready to start hunting down that archived item. Next, navigate to the space, folder, or list that contained the item before it was archived. This is where beginners sometimes get tripped up. Archived items are hidden by default, so they won't appear in your regular task lists no matter how long you scroll. To make them visible, look for the filter button at the top of your view. In some versions of ClickUp, you'll see a dedicated option labeled Show Archived rather than the main filter menu, depending on your layout. Either way, your goal is the same. Enable the Show Archived toggle. Once you flip that on, ClickUp will surface all the archived content within that space or folder, displayed alongside your active items so you can see everything in one place. Think of it like switching on a hidden layer. The items were always there, you just needed to turn on the right light. Now that your archived items are visible, take a moment to browse the list and locate the specific item you want to restore. Archived tasks are usually marked with a visual indicator, often a slightly different color or a small archived label, so they're easy to distinguish from your live work. If you're in a large space with many archived items, this is a good moment to apply any additional filters by assignee, date, or tag to narrow things down. Once you've found the right item, click on it to open it. Reading through the task before restoring it is a genuinely good habit. It lets you confirm you have the right item, remind yourself of where the work left off, and check whether any information needs updating before it re-enters your active project. With the task open, it's time to unarchive it. Look for the ellipsis menu, the three dots, sometimes written as Destin dun, typically found in the top right corner of the task detail view or accessible by right-clicking the item in the list. Click that menu to expand your available actions. You'll see the option labeled Unarchive. Select it. ClickUp will process the restoration almost immediately, and you should see the archived indicator disappear from the item. If you're working with a list, folder, or space rather than an individual task, the process is identical. The ellipsis or actions menu is your access point, and Unarchive will be listed there. One common pitfall is accidentally selecting the wrong item from a list of similarly named tasks. So always take a second glance at the task title and description before confirming. After the item is restored, take the final step of verifying that everything looks right. Navigate back to your active task list or project view. You can turn off the Show Archived filter now and confirm that the restored item appears in its original location. Check that its status, assignees, due date, and any subtasks are all intact. In the vast majority of cases, ClickUp restores everything perfectly, but it only takes a few seconds to verify, and it saves you from discovering a discrepancy later when you're already deep in the work. Once you've confirmed it's back where it belongs, you can continue editing, reassigning, or managing the item exactly as you would any other active task. A few best practice tips before you go. First, always restore an existing archived task rather than creating a new duplicate when you're picking up old work. The archived version already has its full history, file attachments, and comment thread intact, which a new task would never have. Second, keep your archive organized by giving items clear names and tags before you archive them. The easier they are to find later, the more useful the archive becomes. And third, make archiving a habit for inactive work rather than deleting it outright. Deleted items are much harder to recover, while archived items are always just one filter toggle away. You've now completed the full process of unarchiving in ClickUp, from logging in and revealing hidden items, right through to restoring and verifying your work. Your recovered task, list, folder, or space is back in your active workspace, fully intact and ready to move forward. Feel free to save this video and come back to it anytime you need a refresher. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.